Want to optimize Windows 10 for Valorant and get the best FPS possible? Here's a quick guide. First, make sure your Windows 10 is updated. Go to settings and then update on security, Windows update, and install any pending updates. Next, update your graphics drivers. For Nvidia, open GeForce Experience and update. For AMD, use Radeon software. Updated drivers give better performance and stability in Valorant. Now, turn on game mode. In Windows 10, go to settings and then go to gaming and find game mode and turn it on. This prioritizes system resources for Valorant. Disable unnecessary background apps. Open Task Manager, and inside Task Manager, close apps that consume CPU or RAM that you don't need. Also, adjust visual effects for performance. Right-click Start System, Advanced System Settings, Performance Settings, and adjust for better performance. This will turn off fancy animations that slow your PC. Also, set Valorant to high priority. In Task Manager, right-click Valorant under Details and then go to Set Priority and set to High or Real Time. Finally, make sure your in-game settings match your PC capabilities. Lowering shadows can boost FPS without affecting gameplay. Follow these steps and your Windows 10 is ready for smooth, lag-free Valorant action. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.